Decisions, decisions, decisions. I'll have to think of a good title of this to put on the thumbnail, but for now, what I'm going to talk about is waiting till the time is right. A lot of people wait for the time is right, especially for having babies. And if you're a woman with a biological clock, hey, the healthiest time is between age 20 and 24. Of course, in ancient times, age 14 was the ideal time. But now, age 18 to 25 is fine. But if you wait till you're 40, the odds of having a really healthy baby or having a baby at all drop drastically. But there's uh, all kinds of decisions where you say to yourself, oh, I'm going to wait till the time is right. And guess what? Terrible idea. You'll never be completely ready. Not as ready as you are almost all the time now. Life happens very fast, and maybe you feel you're in a rut and you're going to wait until you do something new, until something else happens. And you wait, and nothing happens. So most people kick the can. That means you put it off and you'll do it tomorrow. I have somebody very close to me. Uh, Whatever I say, well, let's do that tomorrow. And guess what? Tomorrow never comes. So if you like it or not, you're going to grow old like me. If you're lucky, you'll get to be 88. And the future will come. And if you think that the world is going to come to an end, you're probably wrong, because it's going to go on for 1,000 or 2,000 or 5,000 years after you're dead. So you only have one life. I don't really believe that you're going to be reincarnated or go to a place and play the harp and sing praises to the Lord every day. I think you got one life. You might as well use it. And if you can improve things, even if you think you can improve things by changing a job, kind of do it now. Create a better future for yourself. Now, most people don't. They're in a rut, and they think troubles will pass. And when the Nazis took over Europe, and when the Russians took part uh, of, um, of Ukraine, some people stayed put. Oh, this will pass. It'll, yeah. And then their house got bombarded, or they got sent to a concentration camp. If you see trouble ahead, if you see a 50% chance of trouble, go somewhere else. Uh, Take your pets and your children with you, because if you stay and face the trouble, more often than not, it will engulf you. And right now, in our little town of Campione, where I am now, it's full of Ukrainians who waited till the last minute. And boy, the ones of military age are so happy that they got out. Huh. Because if they had stayed in, they'd be recruited on the street, and they'd be in a trench right now. Okay, so explore your opportunities. Don't quit a job. If you have a good job that pays well, set up a little side business in your spare time. And when you have it going enough to support yourself, then quit your job. But don't ever quit an income proposition when you have nothing to substitute for it. It's no fun to be unemployed and broke. Now, in some countries, like the Scandinavian countries, you may get a year of unemployment at 80% of what you used to make. And okay, that gives you plenty of time to make a decision. But even there, it's better to have something going for yourself. And if a move doesn't work out, most of the time you can go back to your old house, or if you're talking about getting rid of an unsatisfactory partner, most of the time you can go back to them. Now, it may take a while to be able to go back to Ukraine, but you know, even if you immigrate to the United States and you decide you don't like it, which strangely enough, I learned that people who escaped years ago from the Soviet Union, Russia, about half of them went back. They couldn't live without their old pals and their old neighborhood. Personally, I left my home country years ago. I never have had a desire to return, but I guess I'm not like most people. Most people get homesick, but if you overcome the homesick in the first year, then it's okay. So if you're going to have a better future, start thinking about your alternatives and your option. And as soon as you come across and discover something that seems to work for you, do it. When? Do it ASAP. For those who don't know what that means, it means as soon as possible. And now you can shut me off and wait for my next exciting video. Bye bye.